Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, guys. So if you have a Ford Edge first generation and you're trying to replace front left or front right turn signal light bulbs because your turn signal is not working, stay with us and we'll explain you guys how to do that. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we're making guys at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, another thing guys, if you need to buy replacement bulbs, car parts, tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get everything for the shop, and usually we get it for a really good price. So I will go ahead, okay, open the hood and I'll show you guys, okay, what we'll be doing here and what we'll be working on. This is guys a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll demonstrate on, but even if you have a earlier 2007, 8, 9, 10, I think all of them should be the same, even a little bit later. So you have front left turn signal light bulb here, front right over there guys. Now check out the difference guys between the headlights quick, okay, how shiny this one is compared to this one. We'll have a video guys that will explain how to actually fix that and how to make your headlights look like brand new again. So how you guys remove the turn signal bulb, we're going to demonstrate on this side. Okay, let me come here so I can show you. Okay, now, okay, let me grab right here because you will be able to see better. This is the bulb guys, okay, this is the bulb. Grab it guys, okay, and turn it counterclockwise, okay, counterclockwise, and pull it out. Okay, this is the bulb right here. Now you just grab the bulb guys, okay, and pull it out. This is the bulb. We'll have the link in the description of the video below and you can see, okay, where you can get a replacement bulb from and how to replace it as well. So all we have to do, go ahead and push it in guys. Okay, you get a replacement bulb. Now you need to go there, okay, in an angle. Remember how we pulled it out? You need to find the same swatch it came out. It goes only one certain way guys, and after that, okay, once you get it in, you're going to get it tight. Now if for some reason it's it's actually too short of a wire, what you can do, you can disconnect the wiring harness first, okay, and by disconnecting the wiring harness you will have more room, but in our case we didn't have to do that. Now being on this side, it's exactly the same as well guys. The right side is the same, but I'll just have a little bit less room because that thing is here and I won't be able to show you as good. So if you guys have any questions, if you want to know more guys, if you don't know how to fix something, leave a comment below. We'll try our best to make a video for your problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.